This video demonstrates Easy Format's ability to correctly copy or export only the visible data in any Excel worksheet. This is a standard Excel worksheet containing 4 column totals and 1 Excel formula field. This is the same worksheet with several columns and several rows already hidden. To export only the visible data using Easy Format, click the U icon and select Export Visible Data. Easy Format immediately copies only the visible data to a new worksheet in a new workbook. Easy Format retains the data filters, the formulas for the column totals and the percent of sales column, and the page formatting for printing. Notice the column totals are correct when visible data is copied using Easy Format. This is the same data copied using only Excel. The data filters, all Excel formulas, and the page formatting are lost when using only Excel. Because Excel formulas are converted to values, the column totals are incorrect. This is the same data default formatted by Easy Format, with state and zip code already hidden. Easy Format always formats an automatic copy of the original data. Easy Format worksheets are for printing, viewing, and analyzing data, not for maintaining data. Double-click California to set the state filter to California and to hide all other data rows. Click the U icon and select Export. Once again, Easy Format retains the data filters, all Excel formulas, and the page formatting for printing. This is the same data subtotaled using only Excel. The address and zip code fields have already been hidden. The 1 count and 2 sums had to be created as 2 subtotal breaks, as Excel does not support mixing count and sum or any of the 11 Excel subtotal types at the same subtotal break. Subtotals for percent of sales could not be created because Excel subtotals do not support the use of Excel formulas for percent and average fields. Notice the confusion in the grand totals. The 3 highlighted grands in column B are in error. Outline levels 1 and 2 are also incorrect in that they should end on the grands in column A. This bug in Excel 2000, XP, 2003, and 2007 only occurs under certain conditions. Microsoft has no fix, but does have a knowledge base article discussing the bug. Notice that it takes 7 outline levels to produce these Excel subtotals. Setting the state data filter to California does not expose the California subtotal rows, and hides the grand total row for sales amount and owed amount. Microsoft recommends not using data filters with subtotals because the 2 Excel features do not work together correctly. This is the same data with all states other than California manually hidden. Because rows were manually hidden, the subtotals and grand totals do not automatically adjust. As you will see in a moment, subtotals and grand totals will automatically adjust if rows are hidden using Excel data filters. Unfortunately, data filters and subtotals do not work together correctly when using only Excel. This is the visible subtotal data copied using only Excel. Excel does not retain the page formatting for printing and does not retain the subtotal outlines. Without subtotal outlines, subtotal rows must be manually removed. Excel does not retain data filters, which is probably okay since they don't work correctly with subtotals when using only Excel. Excel also converts all formulas to values, resulting in incorrect grand totals. To copy the same visible data using Easy Format, click the U icon and select Export. Easy Format retains the subtotal outlines, all Excel formulas, the page formatting for printing, and the Excel data filters. Because hidden rows have been deleted, the grand totals are now correct on rows 17 and 18. Rows 15, 16, and 19 are the extraneous subtotal rows created by Excel in error. Here is the same original data subtotaled by Easy Format. Notice the mix of 1 count, 2 sums, and the Excel formula for percent of sales on each bolded and shaded subtotal row. This is impossible using only Excel's standard subtotaling. Notice that there are only 4 outline levels, rather than the 7 in the Excel-only created subtotals. Notice the grand totals are correct. The address and zip code columns have already been hidden. Clicking the Easy Format View Hide Hidden Columns icon toggles all hidden columns between being visible and being hidden. Double-clicking California sets the state data filter and exposes the California subtotal rows. Double-clicking to set and unset Excel data filters is an Easy Format feature not found in Excel. Grand totals correctly adjust because rows are hidden using Excel data filters. To copy only the visible data for California to a new worksheet, click U and select Export. Easy Format retains the subtotal outlines, the Excel data filters, and all Excel formulas. As seen in this print preview, unlike Excel, Easy Format retains the page formatting for printing. Let's close the print preview and close this new workbook without saving. Double-clicking California a second time resets the state data filter to all. Double-clicking Steve Smith sets the name column Excel data filter and exposes the subtotal rows. Unlike Excel, Easy Format always exposes subtotal rows, even when they do not contain the filter value. Easy Format's Export Visible Data feature is the quickest way to correctly copy only the visible data in any Excel worksheet. Please visit www.datapresentation.com to download a free 15-day trial of Easy Format, which includes the 15-day trial of Easy Split. Easy Split is included free with the purchase of most of our add-ins for Excel. Be sure to check out the other time-saving Excel automation products for formatting worksheets, charts, pivot tables, pivot charts, pivot table drill worksheets, and complete Excel workbooks. Please help the Excel users you know by telling them about our time-saving add-ins for Excel. They will thank you, and we thank you for your time.